When you attend a meeting like this, and we attend a lot of conferences throughout the entire country, I'm looking for $1 million idea when I attend an event like this. Something I can take home, execute on, and turn into $1 million for our company.
My biggest takeaway from yesterday is that warriors are made, not born, and that Tim and OP have a roadmap for you to plug into, for us to plug into, and lead us to complete success. It's really awesome, really empowering.
What you guys did for me and everyone here, and what I'm going to be able to do for my team back home is, I hope I can emulate some of what you've done and bring some healing to my own people back home.
So my biggest takeaway was that you just cannot stay in your box, our comfort zone. We have to push past and move forward to see the growth that we need, and this program is definitely the key to that success.
I would say trying to put a price tag is you can't do it. We're staying in a casino down the road, and it's all about taking chances there, and I was so hesitant to take a chance to even buy a ticket and come out here, but can't even put a price tag on how much my business will grow based on this.
Is what's it worth to get you to the next level? Personally, professionally, just do it. It's worth it.